In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a Microsoft Excel file into Notion. This is a really useful skill if you've been working in spreadsheets and want to move your data into Notion so it's easier to organize, link to other pages, and build into a more powerful workspace. First, open Notion on your computer and go to the workspace or page where you want your Excel data to live. It can be an existing page or a brand new one, but make sure you're in the right place before you start because the imported table will appear there. Now, look toward the top of the Notion window for the settings area. Depending on your version, this may appear as settings and members or a similar label in the sidebar or top menu. Click on that to open the settings panel. This is where Notion groups options for managing your workspace, and one of those options is to bring in content from outside tools. Inside the settings panel, find and click on the import option. This tells Notion that you want to bring information in from another source. When you click import, Notion will show you different types of files and services it can work with. Since we're starting from Microsoft Excel, the easiest way is to first save your Excel sheet as a CSV file on your computer. Most spreadsheet programs, including Excel, have an option like Save As or Export, where you can choose CSV as the file type. Once you've done that, go back to Notion and, in the import choices, click on CSV. CSV stands for comma separated values, and it's a simple format that Notion can reliably turn into a table. After you click on CSV, Notion will open a file picker window. Here, you just need to follow the on-screen prompts. Choose the CSV file you exported from Excel, confirm your selection, and let Notion process it. You might see a brief loading message while it imports the data. When the import finishes, your spreadsheet will appear as a database table right inside your Notion page. Take a moment to scroll through and check that the columns and rows look correct. You can then rename the database, adjust column types, and start taking advantage of Notion features like filters, sorting, and views. That's all there is to it. Open settings, choose import, select CSV, and follow the prompts. Once you've done it once or